Hey everybody, this is Dee from Dee's Delicious Bites, and I'm back, back with another video, mukbang and cooking show. Everybody, let's go. Check out my video. If you want to get it right, come join Delicious Bites. Check it, video. Check out my video. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well so you never miss out on another delicious bite. And if you've been in it for a minute, I thank you so much for coming on back. Father God, I thank you so much for this day and for this meal I'm about to receive. I ask that you would bless it, that it may be nourishing to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. I thank you for everything, every day. Amen. You guys, I was rushing through my prayer because there is a disrespectful fly in my house somewhere. And I didn't want him to land on my food while my eyes was closed and I was praying. Open my eyes and he's sitting in my salad. I would lose my mind. Why? I don't do flies. And why? Because this salad has shrimp and mussels in it. If he was sitting in my salad, I'd have to scrap the whole video. I would. Anyway, we're done. We're done talking about him. I'm going to find him. He going to die today. I have black cherry Waterloo. I've got some fried green tomatoes. I have been wanting them. They have nothing to do with salad, but whatever. They are fried in Flaming Hot Cheetos. Thought I'd try that out. Around the perimeter here where you see these nice little crispies, they are Green Lip Mussels fried in Flaming Hot Cheetos. And I've done that before. And they're so good. Oh, they're so good. And then we've got garlic shrimp in the middle that I sauteed on a bed of lettuce with some ranch and French dressing, which is my favorite. I love it. So, I don't know. That's what I mixed together. It's my jam. So happy Tuesday. And you know it won't be Tuesday when you get this video. But happy Tuesday to you anyway. How's everybody doing? What you got, what you cook, what you eat now. Hopefully something absolutely delicious. We're going to get into it. Because I'm not trying to fight with that fly, and I know he's coming back. I know he's around here somewhere. Let me put a shrimp on there for y'all. Here you go, family. You got it? Okay. Oh, you missed the spot. You missed some of that lettuce and cheese. Big bite. So good. You guys, I'm so greedy, so hungry trying to eat. I forgot I left the tails on. I'll peel those off. But this is good. Let me try one of these Flaming Hot Cheetos, fried green tomatoes. Wow. All right. Come through. Come through, Cheetos. I don't even know where to go. That shrimp. Mm. Every now and then, guys, I have to throw in a salad. And I know with everything sitting on top of it, the fried green lip mussels and the fried green tomatoes to the side, you don't think it's that healthy, but better than nothing. I got this big old bowl of salad. I'm trying. Mm, mm, mm. Flaming Hot Cheetos, fried green lip mussels. Mm. You know, it reminds me of a fried clam. That's the feel of it and the taste of it. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's what it reminds me of. Keep looking to my French doors because I have them open. And usually, if you get a fly in your house, that's where they're going to go, towards the screen. And I think I see him. You guys give me a minute. I'll be right back. He got to go. All right, family, I'm back. He's gone, hands washed, and ready to get back into my meal. He went over there and sat on that screen for the French doors. And he got sprayed with some ant spray. So, he gone. Mm. You guys, it is so hot outside today. I don't know what this weather is doing. Mm, mm, mm. But I love the heat. I love hot better than cold. So I'll take it. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. That's good. Mm. So guys, it looks like my sister and I will be back line dancing this Thursday. She's finally feeling better after her surgery. It's been about 5 weeks since we've been. So, we gonna hit it. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, we gonna hit it. I'm gonna take her to Red Lobster here coming up soon because I told her when she was feeling better I'd take her to Red Lobster. That's her favorite spot. Although if I did a seafood boil here at the house, she'd be fine with that too. I know my head's cut off, but I want to make sure you guys can see the food. It's all about the food. Mm-mm-mm. That's good. Let me pour my black cherry water in. Hope everybody's day went well. Mine was good. Work was good. No issues, no problems. That's how I like it. Mm. I don't like these big old pieces of lettuce like that. I don't like them. And when you do bag lettuce, you kind of get quite a few of those. You got to pick them out. Well, I got to pick them out. Shout out to the Sea Circle, who went live on her lunch break the other day. She is so sweet, gorgeous, and just a beautiful personality. And I thank you so much for your support. I support you right back. Mm. Losing my Cheetos crust. I got the middle of one of the tomatoes too close to the core. It's hard. I won't eat that part. These are good. So Casey Connection said, my sister Casey, she said that McDonald's is doing a spicy chicken sandwich too. Everybody getting on the bandwagon with these sandwiches. I think she said it'd be out on Thursday. I hope it don't blow up like Popeyes and then you can't get it. Because I'd like to try it. I never got to try chicken sandwich. I gave up on that. It was too much. So we gonna see. We're gonna see what it do. You guys, do you watch, or you subscribe to Mm-mm-mm. Mexican food galore, I think is the name. If you're not, go check his channel out. He is over there cooking. You hear me? Cooking on his grill, making some amazing food, mouth-watering food. Mm. Chicken and steaks and corn and tortillas. These big pieces of cheese he cuts and puts on the grill. I mean, all of this is on the grill. Sweet potatoes. He made soup. That piece of lettuce didn't look good. Looked a little too wilted. I don't want that. Anyway, check his channel out. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Check his channel out and see what he's over there cooking. Mm. 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 I'm really enjoying these fried mussels. Mm. I've made them before and dipped them in my delicious bite sauce. You talking about something good? It was good. Mm. You guys, I just absolutely love seafood. Any way I can get it. Fried, baked, broiled, whatever. Whatever you do to some shrimp, lobster, scallops, mussels, you can pretty much bet I'm gonna eat it. Mm. You guys, I did not film yesterday. I had a video go up yesterday because I haven't stacked, you know that. But I didn't film yesterday. When I don't film, I feel guilty. I think I told you guys that before. I feel guilty. Mm. So today I had to get back at it. Yesterday I took a day off from filming to catch up on my videos and show love and support to all that's been showing love and support to me. So, and I'll do some more of that today too. As soon as I'm done eating and I clean up my kitchen, I'll be able to sit down and relax and do that. It's hard to juggle it all and keep it all together. I mean, it really truly is hard to keep it all together when you go to work and then you get off work. You gotta, cook and set up to film and clean your house up afterwards, clean your kitchen up, and then get it all edited and uploaded, and then try to find time to go through your comments and talk to the family. You got to do that. People supporting you, you got to support them back. That's just what it is. Ain't no ands, ifs, or buts about it. If you support me, I support you. Now, sometimes it may take me a minute. I may not be jumping in right down in the comments as soon as your video upload, because the sister be at work. I can't be at work on my phone. We done got in trouble. YouTube is fun, it's a hobby, but it don't pay my bills at all. So I got to keep my day job, y'all. So I may not answer right away. I may not even answer that day. It just depends, but I do try to get back to your videos, watch them, full watch, and comment. That's just what it is. You can't expect people to support you, watch all your content, give you a thumbs up, comment down below, and you don't do the same for them. It's not right. Well, people say that they have watched your content and they like it and they subscribe to your channel, and you look at your subscriber count and it ain't moved. And you're like, oh, well, maybe it just didn't hit yet, or however that works. And then you go look and see on their channel if they're in your subscriptions, or if you're in their subscriptions and you're not. And that's wrong. But I can't worry about all that either. My channel is going to grow. It's going to thrive. And it's going to be a beautiful thing, regardless of who do what. Why? Because he told me so. That's all I need to know. So I just keep pushing, keep my positive energy, keep being me, keep loving you, keep supporting you, and doing what I got to do. Mm, mm, mm. I gotta get off of here. This video done went 26 minutes. Y'all know I try not to go past 20 minutes. I'm here talking. Less talking, more eating. I'm almost done, y'all. My last delicious bite. Mm, mm, mm. I did pretty good. That was a big salad. Now my belly full. Oh, excuse me. But the best thing about salad is that you're not so full you gotta go take a nap. I'm full, but I can still get up and go do my dishes and clean my kitchen and, you know, throw in a little laundry. So, that is what I'm going to do. Y'all see how hot it is? All that ice that melted, so for a few little pieces. And this was full of ice. Let me get a sip. Okay. You guys, I'm going to bring this video to a close. If you like this content and you'd like to see more from me, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate you sharing my video with your friends and family. And remember, as always, I believe you're capable of amazing things. You just have to believe it too. So, until I see you and you see me, be beautiful, be blessed, and be the best you that you can possibly be. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in my next one. My very next one. Bye, guys.